Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what's in the box and a few of the features of the IC-HI981033 Foodcare Wine pH tester. The pH of wine is important because it will affect the quality of the final product in terms of taste, colour, oxidation, chemical stability and other factors. This device features an on-screen stability indicator, a user will select auto off feature and a clogging prevention sleeve junction, giving the device a 20 times longer lifespan. Yet it's compact enough to go anywhere. In the box is some cleaning solution for wine stains and wine deposits, two packets of pH 7 buffer, 2 packets of pH 3 buffer, an instruction manual, calibration certificate, electrode storage solution, reference electrolyte to top up the electrode, and a pipette for putting the electrolyte into the electrode. And lastly, the wine pH tester. The pH tester is pocket size and features an easy to read LCD, one button, electrode storage cap, and a battery compartment with a pre-installed battery. Turn on by pressing the button. The bright, clear screen can be viewed from almost any angle. The electrode body is made of glass, making it simple to clean. The clogging prevention sleeve reduces the risk of the junction becoming blocked. Using the one button, you can perform a few different tasks. Pressing and releasing the button will turn the device on or off. Holding the button will cycle through to cal mode. Releasing the button here will enter calibration mode. Still holding the button will take you to auto off setup. Releasing the button here allows you to select between 8 minutes, 60 minutes, or to stay on. Press and release the button until you reach the desired settings. Then press and hold the button to confirm and exit the menu. And that's what's in the box and some of the setup of the IC-HI981033 Foodcare Wine pH tester. To watch a video on how to calibrate or how to measure wine, see the video links in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.